Hello, first grade friends. Today we're going to identify singular and plural nouns, and we're going to do that by looking for the correct article in the sentence and writing the correct form of the noun. We're going to do this so that we can become better writers. Let's review what we've talked about this week. That a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. A singular noun means one object. A plural noun means more than one. And here are some different ways to spell the plural nouns. So we can go from cherry with a Y to cherries, I-E-S. Farm, what does farm do? Just adds an S for farms. Mouse changes its spelling from mouse to mice. Box has an X, so we add ES. Leaf has an F, so we change it to VES. Remember, one or more than one. The dog barked loudly. This means one dog. Look at the word that comes before dog. The word is the. The is talking about one. Okay? The dog barked loudly. Now look at the next sentence. The pack of dogs barked loudly. We know it means more than one dog because they added an S. Most nouns just add an S to make them mean more than one. But there's another word over here that tells us it's more than one. A pack of dogs is a group of dogs. Okay, like a pack of gum is several pieces of gum, right? So a pack is more than one. If you have a pack of something, you're going to have more than one. So we can look at the article the, or another clue that tells us this would be more than one. Most plural words end in S or ES, except for some that have a special spelling like man, one man, and then you have two men. One woman, three women. One tooth, lots of teeth. All right, so today we're going to read each sentence. We're going to choose the best noun and verify that the article corresponds to the noun. Now let me explain what that means. That means that this word, the word at the beginning of the sentence, the, has to match the noun, the subject. So if I said, the goose honks, does that make sense? Okay, let's try the other one. The geese honks. The usually means one. So we know goose means one goose. Geese means more than one. So if the article is the, we're going to be pretty positive that the noun is going to be singular. And you're going to need to write the singular form of that noun. All right, let me show you what I want you to do. You're going to write the correct noun in your journal. Let me just move over here. Let's do a couple together so you know exactly what I want you to do. All right, so number one said the blank honks. The goose or the geese? Which one did we decide the meant? The means one, so goose would be the one we write for number one. The goose. Okay? The is the article that tells us that the noun is singular. Look at number two. 5 goose crossed the road or 5 geese crossed the road? Let me think. They all kind of sound similar, but look at the word in the front. 5. What does 5 mean? One or more than one? Yeah, we know 5 is more than one. So if it's more than one, our noun is going to be plural. And the plural form of goose is geese. More than one goose is geese. So number 2, we're going to write geese. Geese is the correct noun in that sentence. Okay, so now let's look at number 3. Let's see if we can decide which is the correct noun for number 3. 3 man pushed the truck. Or should it be 3 men pushed the truck? Look at the first word. What is that word? 3. So the first word is 3. Does 3 mean 1 or more than 1? It means more than 1. So we're going to need to find the plural noun. Man means 1. Men means more than 1. So the correct noun would be 3 men pushed the truck. 3 men. Men means more than 1 man. Okay, one more, and then I think you're ready to go. Look at number 4. Number 4 says, that man is Gia's dad. Or should it be, that men is Gia's dad? Well, that usually means 1. I am talking about one particular thing. That man. So I'm going to say man is the correct noun in that sentence. That is talking about 1. So if I said that men is Gia's dad, that doesn't sound right. That men is incorrect. That it means more than 1. That means 1. So we're going to say that man. Okay. Now you're going to number your paper from 1 to 10. We just did 4 of them together, so you can use those as your answers. But I want you to do your best to write the correct noun for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Look at the word in the front. Does it tell you if it is singular or plural? And then you're going to write the correct noun. You're going to write either the singular noun or the plural noun in next to each number, just like we did with 1 through 4, okay? So now what we did is we reviewed what singular and plural nouns were. We know that singular means 1 and plural means more than 1. Okay, we talked about how some plural nouns have different spellings, but most of them just add an S. These plural nouns have different spellings. These are the tricky plural nouns that we are doing today. The spellings are completely different. We don't add S to any of these. We have to change the whole word. Okay, so you need to look carefully to decide if it is plural or singular by looking at the first word, the article, a, that, the, or if it's a number or an adjective like many or some. Okay, that'll tell you if it's 1 or more than 1. Okay, and then you're going to take a picture and upload it to your Google Classroom. That's all for today. Bye.